Alright, I just cut all the floor pieces. Super easy with this large format tile. And it just makes the bathroom look so much bigger. Let me turn the light on. Oh. Yeah, this is going to look great. Really easy to cut using that angle grinder. I'll link it down in the description. I think they were like $10 for a pack of 2. And they still haven't dulled, and I made quite a bit of tests. I did the envelope cut. And then all these, I still have 6 wall pieces left. And then the niche and the shower valve. And then tiling will be done. And then just need to button everything up. I got the beginning of the tile done. I made the mistake of doing the floor first, and I can't reach over to really get the walls. So I'm going to let the floor dry, these first wall pieces, and then when it all cures in a couple days, I'll come back, do the cuts for the niche and the shower valve. So right now, while I'm just sitting waiting around for it to dry, I'm going to put down the Laticrete membrane on the floor, so that'll be ready to tile when I come back in a couple days. So I'll do a time lapse of that. All right, that went on super easy. Problem is it's a little cold, so the butyl's not sticking very well. What I might do is just get an iron, run it over it to activate the butyl backing, get it to stick, especially on the sides. It's just been really cold in here, so it's not sticking too well. But now I'm all ready for the rest of the tile, the floor tile in here. I'll probably do that after I finish the shower, because I don't want to. I want to make sure that I get the cuts right and have some room to navigate without worrying about scraping up the floors or anything like that.